Welcome to Shoviv Software Private Limited. If your PST file has gone corrupted, or some of its data has gone deleted, then, to recover and get back your data, you need a professional tool. So, for this, we are introducing an advanced professional tool, Shoviv Outlook PST Repair tool. This tool expertly recovers severely corrupted and hardly deleted PST file items. It uses an advanced email recovery algorithm to instantly detect and recover corrupted PST file items. This tool properly maintains folder hierarchy and doesn't make any changes in its properties. The software has no bar for adding a large-sized PST file or multiple PST files for a single go. It also provides an option to export the PST file to Office 365 and LiveExchange server mailboxes. Along with these options, it also facilitates options to export PST file items to EML, MSG, HTML, and RTF, like file formats. This tool is compatible with all MS Outlook versions and Windows operating systems. To download the software, you may visit www.shoviv.com/outlookpstrepair.html and install the software. As you open the software, the home screen of the tool will appear. Click on Demo to check out the demo version of the software. Now, you have to add PST files. Select Advanced Scan option for highly corrupt PST files and recover deleted items. You can add files by clicking on Add. After selecting the files, click Open. You can also remove the file which you do not want to recover. The software can also search the PST files from the system. You can also load the snapshot of recovered PST files, which you can browse or search from your computer. Click OK. The folders and subfolders will be listed up. Now, click on the folder. The contents of the folder will appear. Click on Save button to take recovered PST files snapshot to load it next time. You have to give a target folder and name to the snapshot. Click on Outlook PST icon, a window will appear. Now, you have to select the folders and subfolders. Here, you can create a new PST file. Now, you have to select a drive or a folder, which you can browse from your system, in which the PST file will be stored. After selecting the folder, click OK. You can also protect your file by creating a password. If your process gets interrupted due to network error or any other reason, use incremental export option to resume the process and prevent duplicity. The software also provides a user guide. The software can also split the file to your desire. The software can export an existing PST file on single PST export, which you can select from your system. Click Next to select the filters. You can select message class filters, such as Activity, Appointment, Contact, and much more. Select Message Date filter, for which you have to provide a date range, and the software will filter according to the date. Click on Advance option to modify the filters. You can apply the filter using last modification time, message creation time, message delivery time, and client submit time. Click on Folder Mapping option to export the data of the source folder to the target folder. Click on Add button to provide the source and the target folder. You can edit the details, can import source and target from CSV, export in CSV, and can even remove the selected folders. Use Email Translation option to change the improper display email address. You can edit the details, can import source and target from CSV, export in CSV, and can even remove the selected folders. Uncheck the box below to apply email translation on recipient 2. Click Next to start the process. The demo version will process first 50 items per folder. The software also generates the report, which you can export in HTML format. Click Save. A message box will appear. Click Yes to check out the report. This is the simplest way by which you can recover PST files using Shoviv Outlook PST Repair software. For any sales-related query, mail us at sales@shoviv.com. For any support-related query, mail us at support@shoviv.com. And to contact us, visit www.shoviv.com/contact us. Thanks for watching.